In a vibrant animated world full of cheer, our gentle bear character embarks on an exciting journey. He warmly introduces delightful sounds from familiar animals. These sounds spark laughter, engagement, and friendly learning for everyone watching this playful educational adventure, happily. Our bear then ventures to a scene featuring a playful cat with a unique charm, illustrating the iconic meow sound. This cheerful moment creates instant connection with viewers and delightfully. Proceeding, our bear introduces a majestic horse. In this enchanting scene, the horse produces a light-hearted nehaha sound, complementing the narrative with humor, showcasing the animal's playful energy indeed. Next, our bear gracefully encounters a quirky donkey known for its amusing message of loving carrots. The scene radiates fun, as this sound turns an ordinary moment into joyful wonder. Ultimately, our bear leads us to a spirited rooster whose vibrant call signals a playful start to the day. The rooster's sound unites the theme of cheerful awakening and fun. Our bear concludes this joyful journey, inviting smiles and learning.